Welcome to a quick Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your TikTok account. Start by opening the TikTok app and navigating to your profile page. Tap on the Options button at the top right of the screen. Now tap on Manage My Account. At the very bottom here, you will see an option called Delete My Account. You need to confirm the deletion with an SMS code here. Tap on Send Code. If you don't have a phone connected, you will need to do the same, but with your email. Enter the code once you receive it. Now tap on Delete Account. Note that you will have 30 days to reactivate your account. After 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. But within 30 days, you can simply log back in to reactivate it. As you can see, I have been logged out and my account is deactivated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if it helped you and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tutorials.